Hi friend, how are you? I am back in many time in Facebook, YouTube. How are you all of people, all of friend, you all people look at this my village, Bria colonies in my behind had banana trees are very beautiful, looking very beautiful like very much every people and trees are trembling their lip and slowly bend in my Buria colony's trees. Mango trees are pick the small mango. It's looking very nice. Looking Cindy is very beautiful and very like every people like this in this Cindy does not meet in your city town. Its natural surrounded environment is available in my village in my Guria colony. Every people like and all people like it very much. Fresh, airy, slowly wind and clean environment and shadow in trees. No problem. Guria colony is no electricity but does not travel in electricity and fresh airy bend slowly and very like it very much very like it every people love it very much nature and this and my Bhuria colony's nature very likely very wonderful very fresh very air very clean like it very much love it very much thank you okay bye.